Another video here about homemade PVC pipe cleaner primer. So this is basically when I make a circuit board. Got this photoresist on there. This is a failed board. I left it in the etch too long and it forgot about it. And anyways, so when I strip this off, I use acetone, and I throw it inside here with some acetone, and then you basically get this colored acetone. So it looks real familiar to regular pipe cleaner stuff you buy, and this is one of the jars I have it saved in. It looks real the same, smells close to the same. I don't know if this is this could be a byproduct of making circuit boards, I don't know, but this is a byproduct of stripping photoresist from the circuit boards. So I'm the kind of guy that just saves things. I don't know why, but I just figure I'll find a purpose for it later. In this case, I did find a purpose. So I'm going to show an example on this pipe here. It's kind of dirty. I don't know if we can. Looks like it's already been cleaned, but I think that's from sitting next to some Schedule 80, the gray stuff, being moved around back of the truck. So the only thing is I only have this brush from this one, and it's kind of soaked from this. So I'm going to use it on this one, on one end, this pipe on one end, try to clean this off, and then dip it in my homemade stuff, which is byproduct of making circuit boards again, and see if it does just as good. This side's a little dirtier, so I'm going to see if I can clean this up with my stuff. Alrighty. So everybody's familiar with how this works, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick and show you which end I did. Alright, so I got this end, which is the straight end of this pipe. And pipe cleaner ain't just to clean it out, clean dirt. It's not just that. You also remove the smooth finish from your pipe and make it a little more grittier. That way when you apply your glue on there, close your pieces together, you got a nice fit, and not so much of a smooth surface where the glue is going. That way you get some nice grip. Okay, so I'm going to clean this brush off, dip it in mine, and see what happens there, and make sure we still have the same kind of results. Okay, so I got the brush cleaned off. Doesn't seem like there's anything left there. It's discolored, but it's not wet anymore. Alright. I guess I end up spilling it. One thing I did notice already is, well, that did. This stuff doesn't clean up as easy. See, it still leaves a stain behind there. Maybe because it was sitting there underneath it for a while. Alright, anyways. Let that sit a second. About the same color. Color doesn't really matter. It don't look like it. Well, I don't know. It may be about the same as far as removing some of that gloss. Yeah, I think it's just as good. So there we go. A byproduct of making circuit boards. And I just use these headache pill bottles. And get the silica out of there, if that's what it is. A lot of these are silica. These are good to save too. Don't play with them, but just throw them in something. I got a pill bottle like this. There's several of them actually that's full of these things, so I hang on to them for various reasons. So like I said, I just dump what I just used in here. And there's my storage. I should never run out of pipe cleaner. Basically, because I don't really use that much anyway. And actually, I can't tell you the last time I actually did use any. Maybe 2 years ago.